Nature is one of the thousands of blessings that God has given to His creatures. So while using and enjoying it, they should be diligent in preserving it. Nature means everything that the merciful God has given us. From the greenness and beauty of mountains, plains and deserts, to the sea and the sunset and many other things that tongue could not describe. Watching nature is very enjoyable, from beautiful trees to colorful and fragrant flowers. Beautiful animal species, wide green meadows and towering mountains, they all invite our eyes to watch. When spring wears its green and colorful clothes, we feel relaxed when we see it, and we like to sit next to it every moment and open our tongues to describe it. When we hear the sound of rushing water, or when we see a boat riding on turbulent waves of the sea, we feel light in our hearts and how delightful it is. The sunset has its place when the sun closes its eyes after a day's journey and waves a hand as a sign of goodbye. And the face hides behind the towering mountains of the west, and the black curtain of the night spreads. It's beautiful and heartwarming, its glow.